Hey, this is Gina from WTI, and I am so impressed with this fabric shaver. So this is my favorite blanket. It's made out of 100% merino wool, but you can see how much pills it has on it. It absolutely blew my mind when I saw how well this Electrolux shaver works. I also used it on a couple of 100% cashmere pieces that I have. This blanket, now you'll see it doesn't look like it has that much pills on it, but notice how much I was able to get off. And it just feels so much better. It's so much smoother. And on this 100% cashmere stole, you can see how much it removed as well. And it just really helps to make your quality pieces look as good as they did when you got them. This has 3 different speeds and it can really accommodate anything that you want to use it on that has pills or lint. It is going to be able to handle it just fine. The battery on this lasts a really long time. I used it for about an hour today and the percentage didn't even go down. It stayed at 100%. So that's really impressive. It's rechargeable, which I love. That means I don't have to look around for batteries. When it dies, I can just plug it in and recharge it. And it comes with an extra blade. So if this one wears out, I can easily replace it. I noticed as I'm using it, it does really well at keeping the lint flowing into the compartment at the bottom. But sometimes as the compartment gets full, it'll slow down a little bit. So I will just kind of shake it or tap the top a little bit, and that helps the pills to come out. And then I can keep using it. But of course, you're going to want to empty it as frequently as you need to so that it doesn't get bogged down. If you're looking for a high quality fabric shaver, you can't go wrong with this one from Electrolux. I am really just beyond impressed with it. It has handled heavy pills off of thick fabric, and it handles the little pills on my fine fabric as well. It just does an amazing job, and that's my point of view.